The summer school was really interesting because it allowed me to discover many different fields of engineering.
Exploring the carbon capture pilot plant was a highlight in chemical engineering.
You get to meet people from all around the world with different ideas. Planning a space mission is something I've always wanted to do.
Designing a railway bridge in civil engineering was challenging but fun.
The flight simulator was an amazing experience and it helped me gain a better understanding of all the different engineering disciplines.
Being at Imperial has given me a clear idea of how university life works, and I feel more confident about deciding what and where to study.